Controversy courting cricket player Shahid Afridi was accoladed the Pride of Performance Award in the field of sports. He was nominated a few months before he was caught cheating on camera on the 31st of January. He was found obviously biting the ball towards the end of the 5th Commonwealth Bank One-Day International Series in Australia. Afridi pleaded guilty to ball tampering and he was banned from 2 T20 internationals. Fellow cricketer and former captain Yunus Khan has also been awarded despite rulings against him by the Pakistan Cricket Board. He received his award from the governor of the Northwest Frontier Province. Less than 2 weeks ago, Khan was banned for an indefinite period by the PCB for creating a rift in the team. Regardless, Yunus Khan has received the President's Pride of Performance Award for leading the team which lifted the ICC World T20 Championship in England in 2009. These rewards aren't just rewarding artistic talent, they're also rewarding generosity and care. One such winner is beautician Musarat Misbah of Depilex fame. Misbah bought the Italian charity Smile Again to Pakistan. It provides reconstructive plastic surgery for the victims of acid and kerosene attacks. The charity already works in Bangladesh and India, where this form of violence against women is also common. These are just 3 of the many people accoladed yesterday in fields as diverse as academics, theatre and sports.